Linkbridge Ceramics is located in the ceramic capital of China. Established in 2004, and we have more than 15 years of professional ceramic dinnerware export experience. Our products are well sold in America, Europe, Canada, Australia, and Middle East, etc. We are specialized in design, manufacturing, and selling all kinds of high-quality ceramic tableware, mainly including plates, bowls, mugs, cups, and saucers, etc. More than 1,000 production workers and over 50 R&D technicians and designers. Weekly output of 300,000 pieces. Heat resistance and product materials far exceed international standards. Over 15 years of experience in ceramic manufacturing and export. The factory covers an area of nearly 100,000 square meters. It has intelligent production workshop and automated product manufacturing line. Make the manufacturing process more precise and efficient, and adopt strict quality control system. Ensure that every product is carefully crafted and inspected to ensure its excellent quality and durability. Our team consists of a group of experienced and skilled craftsmen and designers. They combine exquisite craftsmanship with innovative design. Create ceramic products that are aesthetically pleasing and practical. We are committed to customer satisfaction and long-term relationships. Provide personalized customization services. Product design and packaging can be carried out according to demand. The sales team will also develop a professional plan for you. Whether you are a wholesaler, agent, or individual consumer, we can provide you with the most satisfactory products and services.
جربت منتجات شركات كتيرة قبل كده، لكن ما كنتش راضي ابدا عن جودة المنتجات ولا الخدمة اللي خدتها. لكن من ساعة ما اتعاملت مع شركة لينك بريدج سيراميكس وانا راضي تماما عن جودة المنتجات والخدمة اللي خدتها، بالاضافة كمان لسرعة التوصيل واحترافية التعامل. انا كنت سعيد جدا بالتجربة مع شركة لينك بريدج سيرامكس، ومتأكد انت كمان تبقى سعيد بالتجربة دي.
Hi, I think Linkbridge Ceramics company is above and beyond of all their competitors. I have met and talked with the others, so some of them wouldn't even follow up very well with me. So Linkbridge service team is so professional, so patient, and the quality is so good. I would recommend them all the time. Also, they have a really good product. So if you want ceramic products, go for Linkbridge Ceramic company.
Quality products. Innovative design. Exceptional service, competitive price, on-time delivery. That's why you choose Linkbridge Ceramics.